Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in a Samsung Galaxy A36 phone. It is absolutely essential that the phone must always be completely turned off before you begin. For these types of delicate operations, we are going to need a specialized cleaning brush that features much stiffer bristles than usual. If you don't have one, you can use a toothbrush with medium or soft bristles. In addition, there is a specific propanol alcohol, which will evaporate after cleaning and leave no trace in the phone. We soak the brush so that it is completely wet. And once it's ready, we take the phone like this. Here we have these two holes, these are the microphones. Now, we simply need to thoroughly clean these two specific holes several times in each direction, carefully pointing the brush in different ways to reach every corner. If there is any stubborn dust or any other debris trapped inside, it will eventually come out because the rubbing alcohol will effectively soften it up. Once you have finished that, please go ahead and do exactly the same thing on the other side of the device. And we'll have a perfectly working phone. In addition to these two primary microphones, there are also two extra microphones located on the other side of the phone. These are specifically used for noise cancellation during your calls, so it is definitely worth cleaning them as well. So, just like you did with the others, make sure to clean them very gently in every single direction, so that they get thoroughly cleaned both ways, one way and then the other, ensuring no dust remains. The other way, and here in this direction and that direction. Repeat this about 10 to 20 times in each direction, and the microphones will be thoroughly cleaned. Then, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate before you start using it again. It must be turned off during this process, and you should never do this with the phone turned on. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.